Today I'm creating this bee by following the pixel art. So let the crocheting begin. I didn't tell you this, but I'm making this as a gift for my girlfriend. I'll tune back in when I have more progress done. We are 30 minutes later and this is what I have. Okay, this will need some explaining. While cutting one of the ends off, I accidentally cut one of my stitches. 3 hours later, after that incident, I have this now. Okay, first side is done. Let's start on the second. This project took me over 12 hours to make. Second one is also done. Third done, fourth is on the way. That's the 4 main sides done. I started doing some editing because my SD was full. After this I will start on the back. Progress update, I guess. So I also started on his cute face. Here I started stitching the parts together that I already had. It seems really easy, but it wasn't. Here you can see his face. Don't you think he's cute? Let's start stuffing him. I don't know if you know this, but I'm using synthetic fiber fill. After that I started making the dingle dings on top of his head. I started working on the wings, and the dingle dings from the previous clip are called antennas. After this wing I only have to do one more and then he's done. He's finally done, and I have one more fun fact for you. With the minimum hourly wage in my area, this would cost almost 140 euros. The one true question that I don't know the answer to yet is, will she like it? I also have a question for you. What could I make next? Be sure to check out my other videos.